In a standing position, place a dowel or a stick over your back. Make sure it touches your upper and lower back. Slightly bend your knee as you hinge your hip backward, while maintaining a straight back and upright chest. Start by kneeling with a foam or towel under your knees. Place a dowel or a stick over your back. Straighten your back and chest up. Make sure the dowel or stick touches your upper back and lower back all throughout the movement. Slowly hinge your hips back and down while bending your knees. This improves your hip mobility and movement quality. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and position a pull-up band around your neck. Secure the band by stepping on it with both feet. While holding it at chest level, gradually pivot your hips backward, ensuring your back remains straight and your chest stays upright. Keep your head in a neutral position, and be certain that you sense a gentle stretch in your hamstring muscles. Kneel on one knee, with the other foot flat on the ground in front of you. Place a pad or cushion under your knee for comfort. Keep your torso upright and engage your core. Thrust your hips forward by squeezing your glutes and pushing your hips forward. Hold the thrust for a moment. Return your hips to the starting position. Repeat for the recommended duration. Switch to the other knee and repeat.